Hello, my name is Stephen Hamilton. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney practicing law in Lubbock, Texas and the surrounding South Plains. Today's video question is, what happens if you're convicted of a DWI? You know, ultimately I think every person who has a DWI is trying to keep that conviction off their record. But if you are convicted, then there's the potential of jail time. Now that depends a lot. It depends on if it's a first offense case or a second offense case or a felony case. It depends if there's an accident or a death in the case. But there is a potential for jail time. On a first offense DWI, you're going to do probation at least. You're going to take alcohol training or alcohol classes. You're going to have fines and court costs. And at least right now in March of 2011, you're going to have a civil surcharge on your driver's license. Which is going to range between $1,000 to $2,000 a year for 3 years. You're also going to be on probation, which means you cannot consume any alcohol. You can't drink. You may have an interlock order to put in your vehicle. That's a machine that you have to blow into every time you start the car, and in fact as the car rolls down the street, so they can determine if you have alcohol in your system. You're not going to be allowed to go certain places. You can't go into clubs or bars or those type of things. You're going to have to report to somebody, potentially take urinalysis and drug test. So there's a lot of legal consequences. You may have an issue with your driver's license. It may be suspended. And then there's all the other consequences that potentially come employment-wise. It's going to be on your record. You will have a conviction for DWI in the state of Texas for the rest of your life. It'll be enhanceable if you ever get another DWI. Certain jobs will terminate you because you received a DWI. You may never be able to get certain positions, certain security clearances, or commercial truck driver's license. My point is there are a lot of consequences if you're convicted of a DWI. And so one thing we want to do is sit down with you. If you're charged with a DWI, before you decide to go plead guilty, and you don't need me for that, then come in, sit down with me. Let's go through what your case is, what your options are, what your concerns are. I want to know what's the most important thing to you in your case, and then what can we potentially do to help you with that. Call me at the office, 806-794-0394. Come in and see me. Let's visit. My name is Stephen Hamilton. Have a good day.